They're afraid. They are anxious. They're nervous. I would be as well in their situation. But also, let's do it.
Buenos días.
Mein Name ist Wilfried, ich bin Choreograf.
Mein Name ist Amaya, ich bin auch Tänzerin und ich bin Spanier.
We're going to do a super project.
Wer von euch kennt Tanztheater?
Anybody of you know dance theater?
Nosotros de verdad que no nos importa quién está delante, ¿no? Ni cómo son, ni qué es lo que hacen, ni qué es lo que piensan, ni cómo se comportan tampoco. Lo único que vemos son personas que tienen un cuerpo, que tienen un alma, que tienen una forma de expresarse y que cuando lo hacen son preciosos.
When you give something beautiful,
Mira para arriba, mira para arriba, mira para
you
arriba.
will get back something beautiful.
En esta sociedad lo que te enseñan es que tú tienes valor cuando tú consigues cosas. Y lo que estamos diciendo es, no, tú tienes valor por ser quien eres. Tienes valor.
Within 5 days you can do as much as you can do. After these 5 days, 1 week later, you might say to yourself, why didn't we do that? Maybe there was no time for that. Maybe we were not aware at that moment. It's the same in your life.
Young people that have the strength and the power to say something. 1, 2. Higher! Fly! Fly! And stand! You all are very beautiful in doing this. Remember this. You all are beautiful on stage. Not only on stage, you have something beautiful in you. Show it.